Are you wondering how you can add an extra layer of shade and privacy to your Vortex Pergola? In this video, you'll learn about the features and benefits of the manual Vortex Pergola Blinds. Hi, I'm Annabella, and here's a quick introduction to the manual Vortex Pergola Blinds. This is an optional accessory and comes in two sizes, the 3 metre and the 4 metre, and you can choose how many blinds you want for your pergola. For example, in this 4600 model, you may want to purchase one 4 metre blind for the long end and then two 3 metre blinds for some of the shorter sides. The Vortex Pergola Blinds are made with rugged, high quality fabric. They provide UV protection. Although you can see in and out, they aren't completely transparent, so they can give you a decent amount of privacy. If design and colour is a big deal, well, you're in luck. These blinds come in both white and charcoal, so you can match them to your pergola. And they're also really adaptable. Whether you want to keep them rolled up, halfway or down, you can manually move the blinds with ease. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully it's given you an understanding of how the Vortex Pergola Blinds work and if this versatile shade accessory could be a really great option for you. If you like the sound of the Vortex Pergola Blinds and want to know how to assemble them, then click this link here to watch the installation video. For more information, visit the Learning Centre on our website, or you can contact a Spa World showroom near you and speak to one of our friendly team members.